Hey, what's up guys, this is 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐸 from 𝐒𝐲 and today I will show you how to set video as a live wallpaper as your lock screen on your iPhone. And the best part is you don't need computer, just using an app within few seconds you can create your own live wallpapers. As you can see here, I have this 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐞 live photo. When you press hard you can see a little action over here. Instead it's not a video, I have created a live photo from the video. So in this video I will show you how you can create your own live photos from any video and set that as your lock screen wallpaper. So just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and also that will help us to grow. Now let's create live wallpaper, but to do so you have to download an app which is totally free. So let's go to the app store and search for video to live and download the app. As I have it already, so let's open the app and you will get screen something like this with all your videos. So just select the video of which you want to create live wallpaper, and once you have the video then choose the clip of 15 seconds that you want as a live wallpaper, and here you can mute or apply filter to your video if you want to. It's a very simple and free app and it works perfectly fine. And once you are done with that, just tap on download arrow here at the bottom and it will take a few seconds, and now it's complete. Now tap on save. You have successfully created your live photo and it's saved in Photos app. Now all you need to do is just go to the Photos app and you can see here your live wallpaper. So just tap on share and scroll down over here and use as wallpaper. You can press and hold over here and see your live photo preview. Tap on set as a lock screen and it's done. And there you have it. That is how you can create your own live photo and set as a lock screen on your iPhone. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see more iPhone tips like this. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.